Hey YouTube, today I'll be unboxing the ICS CXP QD4. First, when you open the box, you get a 30-day warranty by ICS. And then your menu, it shows you how to put battery and disable your gun. Also shows other AEG, how cool it looks. A DVD that also shows you how to put battery and modification for your AEGs. A 300 round plastic high capacity magazine. I wouldn't use this that oftenly since I'm playing CQB so much. I usually go with the mid cap because these wobbles, the BBs. And a cleaning rod. Finally, the gun itself. Take a closer look. The other side. When you pull the charging handle, it does expose the hop up, and you can adjust the hop up there. And I did get the plastic version one, so it's only cost me $130 at ebike.com. If you want to get the upper receiver full metal one, it costs you about $190. Alright, let's go over the internal part of the gun. First, it has a flip up sight, a front flip up sight, and a rail flip up sight. It has IRS rail all over it, so you can attach, flashlight, laser, scope. It has the neon fiber hand grip. Feels really nice, really comfortable. And it has semi, safety, and full auto. The length is about 440 millimeter, and in the barrel is 6.03, 190 millimeter long. And I don't think I would recommend this gun for outdoor CQB, since the inner barrel length is only like 190, but it's really good in CQB. My friend had one of this gun, kick ass with it. And it does not have a crane stock or any stocks, only a sling mount, so you can yeah. And the FPS is 300 to 330. And the motor is long type. Comes with the orange tip. I would not recommend this orange tip because it shoots out easily. I usually just get these cover for, paintball cover. It's safer. The thread is negative, so it's counterclockwise. So you can have any attachment like a silencer or any other stuff. And yeah, this ICS manufacturer. So it also has a split gearbox, a version 2 split gearbox. It's like a version 2 gearbox, but it's split. So it's like, this is like M4. It has an upper receiver and a lower receiver. Upper receiver has air nozzle spring, so it's easier to quick change the spring to use it outdoor if you want, or if it's shoots too hot, just change it really quickly. The battery compartment is in here, which is said 9.6 butterfly battery. I actually bought the small type and the butterfly battery. None of this fit, so I guess he's saying a custom nunchuck battery. Do not get this small type battery, guys. It does not fit. Or I can just, you know, get a PEQ box, put it right there, and I can use them. And I think that's it, guys. That's my review of the ICS CXP QD4. Thanks for watching.